Okay, so in your daily life as a developer, you're gonna have to modify styles from someone else, some other developer that did something, or you can just copy paste styles from a website that you think it's beautiful, and that's a skill, reading someone else's CSS or HTML code. So this exercise will help you get familiar with that, and we already have, as you see here, we already have a style sheet with some styles with a form. You can just hit run and you will see the form live. Here it is. Here's the form. It's very small, but you can make it bigger with by pressing Command plus or Control plus. And here's my form, right? And it has 3 steps. So this exercise is telling us to replace all the class and ID selectors from index.html with other types of selectors to accomplish the same reference. For example, for this HTML that says a class my anchor, instead of doing dot my anchor background red, you could do a background red. So we can do that. We can change. So this is how it's looking right now, right? So if I go ahead and look for my anchor, oh, there's nothing here for my anchor. So I'm just gonna do it on any style. Let's see. So we have, let me right click and inspect this. So we have this li called active. Let me see how that's being impacted. If you look at the inspector, you will see that we have a progress bar li style in our style.css in the line 89. So we can just go there. We can go to the line 89, and here it is, progress bar li. So this is the way that these are li's, and this is the way that they're being selected to apply CSS styles on them. Actually, if I uncheck the width, you see how the width is changing now. Or if I make the color, I can make the color in another color. You look at the font, how it's changing color. Okay, so if I want to have another way of selecting this, I could probably say that I want all my allies from my form. So I could say, instead of progress bar ally, I could say form.ally. And this should work as well. Let's see. We're going to run it again, and it's not working. Look, it's not working. So let's see why. You can see here that it's not being applied. I said form.ally. Probably I can say form within a UL within an ally. So let's see. Form. Oh, because I put dot form. That's it. Form is not a class. It's a tag. So this is a tag form, and I want to say all the children ally within my form. So that works. All the children with a space, I say children. If I put a greater than, I'm saying immediate children, and it's not an immediate children because the form has a UL in the middle. Like it's form, the immediate children is a UL, and then the li is an immediate children of the UL, not of the form. So if I use the greater than, it's not going to work. But if I keep it like this, I'm not specifying that it has to be immediate. If I run it again, you'll see that it now works. The styles are pretty much the same that on the first case that we ran. Cool. The only class selector you can keep using. Okay. Oh, what happened there? Give me a minute. What? Oh, okay. Okay, so that's it. You can keep changing styles like that. The idea behind this is not to like give you a test or challenge you. It's just to for you to start playing around with styling and seeing how everything works, how you can manipulate the styles to achieve the same results.